Okay guys, Broadway here. Whenever I was coming up with my lesson plans for this week for you virtual learners, I realized that you might not have a T-square at home and a drafting board because those aren't normal household items. I encourage you to go out to the hardware store, maybe get one. It could be useful, but if you don't want to do that, probably you do have one of these at home, a ruler. This one happens to be a longer one, but I'm sure you have a 12-inch ruler. That's all you need. 6-inch, probably a little bit too short. Maybe you could get away with it, but a 12-inch ruler will do plenty. Other thing you're going to need is a sharp pencil like this one, okay? I'm sure you have a pencil at home. Mechanical pencil will do just fine. But how are you going to make straight lines? So watch my, my main video on how to do this draft. But I want to do this quick supplemental video to show you that you can still make perfectly straight lines just using the edge of your paper. The top edge of your paper, the right edge of your paper. As long as you have a piece of printer paper like this that's pretty straight. Let's say you wanted to make a straight line. Let's just do the half-inch border. Let's just do the half-inch border all the way around, and I'll show you how to do that. So we'll come over here. With the T-square, you only have to make one measurement. You just have to come over here, make one little measurement at half an inch like this, and just put a small line over there, and then you bring the T-square in perpendicular to make your border. In this case though, since you don't have a T-square, you have to make two measurements. So basically that's kind of the trick, is that you got to make two measurements for every straight line you want to make. So here we are down at the bottom edge, we'll make another measurement, right? So the further away you make these measurements, the better chance of your line being straight. I'm going to turn my ruler upside down like this so that the really sharp straight middle edge is right up against the paper. Otherwise this cork backing would lift my ruler up, and then I just line up those two marks to make my straight line. So that's basically it, guys. I won't kind of keep you here any longer. Point is, even if you don't have a T-square, you can still do this assignment, so no excuses. You're going to just have to do about twice as many measurements to keep your lines perpendicular on that imaginary grid that we're creating here, okay? So make a measurement on one end, make a measurement on the other end. Hold that ruler now as a straight edge, so the ruler has to kind of do double duty. It measures, and then you can use it as a straight edge, just like your classmates in person are going to be using their T-squares as their straight edge, okay? So you can still do it. Good luck.